Well guys, it's time for a project. Not that I really want to, but I have no choice. I was noticing garage door opener was hanging a little bit differently than usual. Well, there's the culprit right there. The metal bracket snapped, so it's time to replace it. So that's what I'm doing today. Alright, here's the old bracket that was somewhat like that. And now it's like that, so time to replace it. I'll be replacing it with, what are these? It's a little bit thicker, wider. I think I'll do a better job than that. There we go. There's a difference. But anyway, so now we'll put this into shape. Well, there's a basin. One side done. There we go, bend number 2 done. Let's go test fit. Tight squeeze, but it fits. So now let's cut off the excess. Time for the power tools. Well, now that the fun with the power tools is done, now I guess all we have to do is put everything back together. Now for the hard part, now I gotta put it up on the upper bracket while holding it and putting in the bolts. Fun stuff. The lights work. That's a good thing. Alright, let's see if it falls off. There, all done. And I guess that's my project for today. Anyway, see you later.